February 2025 witnesses a rapidly evolving programming landscape driven by several key trends shaping the industry. Python and JavaScript continue to dominate the programming world, with Python excelling in diverse fields and JavaScript being essential for web development. Rust's popularity is rising due to its emphasis on safety and performance, making it ideal for systems programming. Artificial intelligence is becoming integral in software development, enhancing productivity through AI-driven tools for coding and testing. Cloud computing is expanding rapidly, with major platforms providing scalable infrastructure for developers, expected to grow significantly by 2025. Increased cyber threats lead to a focus on secure coding practices and robust security features in applications. Staying informed about these trends is crucial for developers wishing to stay competitive in the evolving tech industry.